Hi everyone. So today we'll be learning about how to create a lookup relationship between contact and account using flows. So in this we'll be creating contact records which will be associated with account in a relationship called as lookup relationship, right? So if you want to know about what the lookup relationship is, if you want to revise the concept, you can see my videos. I have discussed about it in a very detailed manner. So in this we'll be using record choice set, package values, etc. So let's continue. So here, while making this flow, we have to use a screen flow, and then will be first of all we have to come here on the elements. We have to drag and drop the screen here, and then we have to name the screen. So I have named it as screen one, right? In the second step, we have to create a resource. Why? Because we have to take the name like whatever in the input we give, right? So we'll be taking the name as we'll give it a API name and its data type will be text. Okay. Any default value required? No. So we'll click on done and we'll go on screen again. We'll choose the type of the component, which will be a text component, the name, first name. Okay. Now we have to select a resource. So we'll select the one which we have created just now and we'll click on done. Now what we have to select? We have to select the account, right? Accounts, the different accounts. So what we'll be choosing a record choice set. In this, then we have to give an API name. So we'll give it as related ACC, related account. And here object will choose as account. So here we have to, we if we want, we can set a criteria if we want. And if we don't, we can leave it as it is. So we have to now choose the label. So we'll be choosing the label as name. We'll be saying it as name and the data type will be text and the choice value will be getting it as ID, like it will be associated with the ID of the account, right? So if you want, you can set the criteria. If no, then no, you'll be seeing all the uh, names of the account, all the account, and you can choose from those set of accounts, right? No, actually, we have to choose it like no, get all the records, right? So we'll go further here. We'll click on OK. Now we'll go to again the screen. Then we'll choose Picklist as there will be multiple accounts, right? And we'll see here. We'll choose any name label. Then here we have to choose related account because we have made the resource, right? And now we have to create records. So what we'll do, we'll just drag and drop it here. We'll give it a name, create contact contact records one at a time and separate or literal values. So which object we have to make the records of? So it will be contact. So we'll choose here contact. Now, now we have to set the values. So we'll set first name and here we'll choose the resource which we have created. And here we have to choose count ID and here the resource which we have created, the picklist one. Now we have chosen the required values for the fields. So what we'll do, we'll click on done. Now what you have to do, you have to just map it accordingly, and I hope like it's done now, right? So we'll click on save. Let's see. Yes. So we'll now debug this. Just click on run. Just give the first name. I'm giving as AKR. Now I'm choosing the related account as Edge Communications. I have clicked on OK. So no, it has failed. Why? Because I think there is some issue in this. Let us check once more. No, it's not. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go on contacts. We'll try to create a new one. Why? I'll let you know that why we are doing so. Last name is compulsory, right? See here, as this is a required one, so we have to, anyhow, we have to give like a field value for the last name. So what we'll do, we'll go to manager, we'll create a new resource. We'll type it as variable. We'll choose last name, select the data type as text, and we'll click on done. Now what we'll do, we'll go on again screen. We'll either I can map it to the last name or I can just make a new, I'll choose a new component and I'll map it to the another one. So I'll be choosing a new component and I'll be giving the name last name. Okay. And then as I have given it a last name, so I'll choose from here. You can see first name and last name, the variable. I have mapped it. Now I'll go on create records. I'll come here. I'll choose last name and I'll map it with the screen component last name. Now what I'll do, we'll just click on save. Now we'll try to debug it once again. Okay, so I'll give a first name as AK. I'll choose Edge Communications. I'll give a last name as K. Sorry, R. And now we'll check. See, it's done. Transaction committed. So the flow is working well and good. So what we'll do, we have to now check. So this is the record which is created. So we'll go on accounts. We will just click on like, sorry, contacts. I'll click on my contacts. See, account name. This is the contact and account name is Edge Communication, right? If you want, I can show you the details. Account name here, it is coming Edge Communications. That's the same contact which we have created related to the account. So yes, this is how we can create a lookup relationship between uh, contact and an account by using flows. Okay, so this is what we have to learn today, and in the next other videos I'll be clear teaching more other concepts regarding flows and other various other scenarios. So till then, bye bye, take care, and keep learning from my videos. Thank you and have a good day.